When faced with an injury, litigation, or planning for the future, trusting in the experience of the Payne & Payne Law Firm can be the first step toward legal resolution. They have a commitment to providing each client with responsible and dedicated service in personal injury and workers' compensation. Have you been involved in a car wreck, or do you feel that you're unfairly being compensated? Don't argue with insurance companies. Let someone with over 35 years of experience represent you in your time of need. Contact Payne & Payne Law today. Let someone with over 35 years of experience represent you in your time of need. Contact Payne & Payne Law today. Remember the Payne & Payne Law Firm if you have suffered an insurable loss due to personal injury, auto accident, hurt on the job, slip and fall, or if your personal property has been lost, stolen, or damaged due to negligence or forces beyond your control. Remember the Payne & Payne Law Firm if you're looking to replace or recover your losses by activating the protection of your insurance policy. The Payne & Payne Law Firm can help assist in the investigation and evaluation of your insurance claim and negotiate a fair and just settlement on your behalf. Payne & Payne Law Firm can help with every detail of a claim. Payne & Payne Law Firm can help with every detail of a claim. Contact Payne & Payne Law today. Call 713-972-1949. 713-972-1949.